In this video, we'll be revealing the top 5 winning products for February 2024 that are guaranteed to sell like hotcakes. This video, I'm going to be showing you the ad that's currently going viral, the competitor's website, and where you can source this product. Our next product is the DIY wood burning carving set. Sell the DIY wood burning carving set to unleash your creative potential. Targeted at craft enthusiasts, the Facebook ad can focus on its versatility, carving intricate designs on wood, leather, cork, and more. Highlight the convenience of the 26 engraved English letters for personalization, seamless compatibility with soldering irons, easy installation, and durability. Position it as a perfect gift for anyone seeking to add a personal touch to their creations. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 27K likes, 2.7K comments, 4K share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for DIY wood burning carving set is just under $39.99. Whereas the product cost is only $15.28. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the canvas tote. Sell the canvas tote for its blend of fashion and function. Crafted from durable canvas, it offers spaciousness without bulkiness. Target Facebook ads at stylish individuals seeking convenience and versatility in their bags, highlighting its durability, thoughtful design with pockets, and suitability for various occasions, work, travel, or leisure. Appeal to those tired of impractical bags, embrace a tote that's both chic and practical, resonating with the TikTok-loving crowd seeking convenience without sacrificing style. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 431 likes, 7 comments, 19 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for the canvas tote is just under $35.99, whereas the product cost is only $9.18. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the unsinkable cruise ship ornament. The unsinkable cruise ship ornament embodies resilience and elegance, appealing to maritime enthusiasts and history buffs alike. Targeted Facebook ads can reach audiences interested in maritime history, cruise vacations, nautical decor, and collectors of unique ornaments. This exquisite piece, with its meticulous craftsmanship and symbolic significance, serves as a timeless reminder of the courage and endurance embodied by seafaring vessels, making it a compelling addition to any collection or holiday display. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 5.1K likes, 51 comments, 81 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for unsinkable cruise ship ornament is just under $29.98, whereas the product cost is only $3.80. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the Touch and Control Rose Crystal Lamp. Sell the Touch Control Rose Crystal Lamp for its innovative touch-adjustable brightness, offering 6 levels of comfort. With 16 customizable colors, it provides a cozy ambience for any occasion. Target Facebook ads to those seeking modern decor solutions, ambience enthusiasts, and wellness-conscious individuals. Capture the attention of homeowners, interior design enthusiasts, and gift seekers with its blend of style and functionality. Engage audiences with its 3D technology, creating a romantic atmosphere with its blooming rose light effect. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 2.1K likes, 754 comments, 275 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for Touch and Control Rose Crystal Lamp is just under $30.95, whereas the product cost is only $5.72. So you were looking at a good profit margin. Our next product is the fridge storage boxes. Sell the fridge storage boxes for their preservation design, maximizing space efficiency and convenient usage. Targeted Facebook ad audience includes homemakers, meal preppers, and food enthusiasts seeking organized storage solutions. Highlight the product's versatility, emphasizing its ability to store various food portions effectively. Appeal to those looking for a hassle-free way to maintain food freshness and streamline their kitchen storage. And finally, the Facebook ad has received more than 999 likes, 41 comments, 220 share. Now if we take a look at the winning store selling price for fridge storage boxes is just under $19.99, whereas the product cost is only $5.83. So you're looking at a good profit margin. Thanks for watching.